How to use Visa card on Amazon. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now basically, the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and make sure that you activate your Visa gift card. From there, you can just go ahead and head over to the Amazon browser or the Amazon application. Head over to your profile because we need to go ahead and find the option to add payments into our account. So in our case, since we're using the mobile application, just go ahead and head over to your accounts option, click on your payments, and from there you will be able to add a payment method. Once inside the payment method, you want to select add a credit or debit card. Now from here, all you have to do is to go ahead and basically enter the Visa gift card's number, expiration date, or security code. If you cannot go ahead and type this out for yourself, you can just go ahead and scan the card if it has a QR code. It will then automatically import the details of your card into the mobile application right here. Now, just go ahead and click on add and continue, and from there you could just go ahead and use this to purchase on Amazon. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.